Today's episode, I'm spending the night inside a luxury container on top of a mountain, exploring a Mars-like island, and climbing a cliffside ferrata right above the sea. I've already got a case of the sniffles, so this is either gonna fix me or finish me. It's not what I meant by that. I meant this. Quite shallow, but it should do. It might not have been the smartest idea, but I never claimed to have many of those. Well, so far I'm feeling fresher. Hope it doesn't come with consequences though. The church is gonna keep my car safe while I'm gone, and I'm gonna take some Holy Spirit with me. What's that? Already in some fishy terrain. If I knew I was gonna go through here, I would have done my research, but this is completely random. Holy smokes! Look at how many bullet holes. This was either target practice or some heavy stuff went down here. Since Cold War was pretty peaceful, I'm thinking that's the Croatian War of Independence, which was about 35 years ago. God bless the mechanic that owned this shop. Okay, let's get back on track. Like my cat, I see a butterfly and I get distracted for the next half an hour. Ah, it was a scale. You drive your truck up here and this will tell you how much too much you've got. worth giving it a shot. Yeah. My guess would be that this was just a regular industrial zone that never recovered from the war. Maybe some fuel reservoirs. Oh. Yep. These are 6 reservoirs. What kind of dumb design is that? Okay, now I really got to go. I've burned all of my spare daylight. Wish I knew what any of this was. Might have to burn some more of that spare time to Google all of this. Okay, now we'll do that at the bivouac. Oh. Now that I'm out of the prison, I'm going to go up in the mountains to hide. Another outpost there, but I've seen the terrors inside. I ain't going back. They'll never find me here. All jokes aside, this area does still have a lot of undetonated mines, so it's best to not wander off path too much, unless you want to contribute to the demining programs. Oh, what a nice path. You know, out of all the countries I've been to, Croatians are always the most welcoming in the comment section. Their hospitality and these views are just 2 of many reasons why I love coming back here. Especially out of season. Feels like you've got it all for yourself. Why are there half-naked mattresses laying around everywhere? Or completely naked. It's so nice to escape the winter for a couple of days every now and then. Tried to do a 2-day ski camping trip the other day, but the weather and the snow conditions weren't playing by the rules, so I had to throw in the towel, and here I am, back at my neighbors. First I'm gonna explore some mountains, and then tomorrow I'm gonna hop over on that island. There's some pretty fascinating stuff to see there as well, and to do. The mountains here don't seem high at all, but that's because they're not. However, you do start from the sea level, so there's quite some elevation gain. So far I've done 500 out of 1200 to the bivouac, or 1400 to the top. Looks like just the right height for olive gardens, or some sort of gardens, abandoned gardens. Oh, Okay, flans would break. Where are you now? Come on, piglet, piglet. Good thing I brought this with me. I wouldn't mind some bacon for breakfast. Yeah, no, I do not want to deal with the baconator. They're more dangerous than bears. My only quick draw weapon are two half-broken sticks, held together by hoops and bolts. It's starting to rain a bit. Might have to put on the tarp. Oh, I see snow up there. A tiny fleck. Well, should get a few fresh centimeters in the morning. But the weather forecast wasn't intimidating enough to bring out the snowshoes. Oh, boar tracks. If a piglet decided to have a piece of me now, I'd be in real trouble. There's no more rock ammunition. Holy mushroom! It's the biggest mushroom I've ever seen. I completely turned this field upside down. Can't believe how much they can mess up. Let's hope they're not in here. An undetonated mine or helmet. Oh, 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 it's pouring behind my neck. As an anti-vaxxer, I should be more careful than that. You deserve that ending. There's some weird stuff going on around here. Oh! Oops, wrong direction. Back on route. In order to think about it, if anyone should be worried about these landmines, it's the boars, not me. They're walking all over the place. Thank you for the sacrifice. I told you so. told you there would be snow. Okay, I will admit, I did not expect this much snow. Oh, this wind is not good for my sick ears. About time. There's our box. In here, nope. Got it all for myself. Even an outhouse. Let's first check that out. Oh, you don't want to see that. Old methods, new design. I can even chop some firewood here. Oh. Oh, dry firewood. Water. Whoa! Oh, it actually worked. Oh, you have to hold it. It is by far the best bivouac I've ever been in. Running water, a stove, electricity, and a thermometer. And a hammock, kind of. Whoa! Even LED light. I'll save that for later. I'm not a morning person, no worries. Haven't figured out what these holes are yet. Okay, let's put that wood to some use. I got my fire starting kit. Ah, shit. Forgot to close the lid. What are you kabooming about? Let's not forget about air. Yeah, it is time for an update. Got this big one left and a few more branches and then that's it. Oh. I did what I could, but some are just too big, so probably break my eggs before that. And the rest goes inside with me. You know, for such a special occasion I had to bring something special. The one thing me and Garfield have in common. Lasagna. This glass shouldn't break as long as I warm it up slowly. It's made for oven temperatures. So, what would be the best way to do this? Okay, I think I've got an idea. Five minutes, and then in it goes. Is it snowing yet? Okay, we're good. Thought I melted my lens. See you in 45 minutes. Oops, wrong button. Oh. Oh. Some more waiting. It's too hot. Good thing these lights are so patient. Do you think they're gonna last that long? Let's at least see what we made. Oh no. Oh, what happened to you? Is the middle still good? Just remember, there's Italians watching my videos. God bless you. Slightly overcooked, but it's my first proper meal today, so as long as it's not dirt, I'm more than happy. I think I'm at least capable of making popcorn. Oi! What happened? This is just pathetic. Half an hour and still not a single pop. So I give up. Well, I'm up for 20 hours already. Almost forgot to take my helmet off. Good night. Slightly better than yesterday. Like my throat. It's just gonna need some fixing. Just great. Some sock tea. By the way, these are used. One of those people that takes warm water in the mountains instead of tea. So, not the biggest fan, but desperate times call for desperate measures. Maybe this will do it. Yeah, This ain't gonna work. Who would have thought microwave popcorn is just for microwaves? Some honey to make the tea drinkable. If only I knew about this X yesterday. Yeah. Okay, I've got a ferry to catch. Took my bivouac to go because there's no time. Wish I had the time to explore some more of these mountains, but I'll have to wait for another day. Okay, for us the weather should be a lot nicer on the island. But I won't believe it until I see it. They pulled my nose one too many times. Now even a shoe. New creations, low hanging stuff on trees. Okay, I believe it now, but you got to hurry. The ferry is 1 hour and a half. There is another one, but I'd have to wait 2 hours for that, so yeah, how about no? Oh, my knee! My knee said f the ferry, but I haven't given up just yet. Come on, you bastard, cooperate. Idiots. Made it. The island of Pag. Most people don't know, but Croatia actually has seals. Not many, but there are a few. There's a little hidden beach behind there, and if you're lucky you might see one. Nice. But you really got to know where to look, because they're not just everywhere. For example, this beach where I parked is way too crowded in the summer, so I prefer to avoid it even in the winter. But this side, on the other hand, is a lot more remote, and it also gets a lot of sun, which they need a lot of in these cold winter months here in Croatia. Ah, no way, I think I found one. To keep the noise down, because winter is their hibernation season, so they don't like to be disturbed. I think it was somewhere down here, just behind that corner. Look at the size of him. Gotcha good, didn't I? What can I do? I'm a YouTuber. Clickbait is in my DNA. Bye bye, see you next winter. Okay, no more messing around. I have to get back on the trail and to my last destination. What kind of cool rock is that? You know I've got to do it. I've got to come check that out. I'll take you with me. How about that for a view? Good. Okay, I better go before I run out of light. Wouldn't it be nice to climb? Let's see if there are any balls. Yeah, there are. Oh, nice. This is the coolest sport climb I've ever seen. I need a climbing partner for this one now. Well, there is one thing I can do on my own, and it's 20 minutes that way. Such surreal landscape, and no one to be seen or heard, except my noisy ass. Oh, bah. What happened to you, poor fella? Did you fall from up there? There's not much I can do about it. One more corner and then there's a start, I think. Didn't even mention what I'm doing. There's a 100-meter long ferrata that goes just above the sea level. The goal is to climb that without touching water. From here to here. Sunshine is such a blessing for my sick soul. Yeah, this couldn't get any better. Croatia will never disappoint. Always some human interrupting nature's peace. Out of all the times it could have been sunny on this trip, this might be the worst time. I have the sun in my eyes the whole way. Oh well. I may go blind, but at least the footage will look great. I'll give it another chance with the wide lens. Oh, I went the wrong way. Looks like I have to go again. And that's how you cheat. Again, this stupid lens let me down. First thing I do when I get home is throw it in the trash. Those of you who've seen my previous video know what I'm talking about. Dunzo. That's what I'd usually end the video with, a cold plunge, but not today. First one messed me up enough already, so today this will have to do. Bye bye.